year's Stars Lottery home in Calgary is all about well-being. In 2023, we're seeing lots of warm textured fabrics, curved furniture, just to bring warmth and comfort into the home. The kitchen this year has really high-end Gen Air appliances. It has a beautiful stainless steel hood fan, which has like warming lights underneath it. There's a massive built-in fridge, gas range. We have a gorgeous waterfall quartz countertop in this kitchen. In the beautiful open concept basement, we've got a great entertainment area with a games table. We've got wine storage, air hockey, a lounge area, and a little home gym.
This year's Stars Lottery home in Calgary, featuring the Westwood model, has just over 3,000 square feet of developed space. When entering this home, you're greeted by a bright open foyer leading you into the open concept main floor. With an 18-foot ceiling in the kitchen, a large island, and vaulted ceiling in the great room, it has a really grand feeling. It's a great home for entertaining.